Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload company images on Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To upload company images in Klaviyo, start by logging into your account. Once logged in, click on Content in the drop-down menu and select Images. This will take you to the image library where you can manage your uploaded images. Next, click on Upload Image. You can choose images from your computer by clicking the Upload button or simply drag and drop images directly into the designated area. This flexibility allows you to quickly add multiple images at once. After selecting the desired images, they will be uploaded to your image library, making them easily accessible for future email campaigns. You can also organize your images into folders if you have a large collection, which helps streamline your workflow. This straightforward process ensures you can efficiently manage and use your company images in Klaviyo, enhancing your email marketing efforts. I hope this guide makes the process easy for you. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.